Good morning, friends. Today is 4th November, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you the morning market update. The Nifty lost 30 points over the day to close at 18,052 with PSU banks outperforming. Technically speaking, Nifty moved in a tight range yesterday with Bollinger Bands width reducing and moving towards each other on the short-term 75 minutes chart. Nifty filled the gap created and it recovered from the lows. We must note that it had a phenomenal V shaped recovery and a 1500 point up move in the past 1 month. Hence, these pause days are good for the overall health of the trend as it gives the required time correction. 17,840, as mentioned yesterday, is the most important support to watch out for. Any move below this will only give bears an advantage and will be a concern to the short term trend. On the option chain, maximum call writing is seen at the 19,000 strike and put writing is seen at the 18,000 strike. I would like to highlight that yesterday, when the markets opened gap down based on global cues, India has again outperformed, recovering from its lows and managing to close above the 18,000 mark. India VIX remains below 16, which is a healthy sign too for the bulls. Talking about sectors, most of them are well placed with capital goods, auto, banking being the strongest. Pharma sector and the metal sector also have given a good run up and looks for more upside in the coming days. International indices were negative again yesterday with Dow losing 0.5% and S&P 500 over 1%. Britannia Industries, Cipla, Title gained. Aditya Birla Fashion and few others have results today. SGX Nifty trades flat as of now. To conclude, markets may be range bound with overall health and the trend of the markets in the favor of bulls. Stock specific action will continue. Levels for the day, Nifty supports will be seen at 18,000 and 17,840. Resistance 18,200 and 18,360. For Bank Nifty, supports will be seen at 40,760 and 40,600. Resistance 41,530 and 41,850. Thank you and have a great day.